Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to share a Google Form edit link. So first thing is just simply go ahead and go to your Google Form and select one of your Google Forms. And now from here, in order for you to share the Google Form edit link, you could just simply click on publish over here, and you should be able to have this option copy responder link, and you will have an option to shorten the URL, or you can just simply copy this one, or if you like to shorten it, just simply make this check, and you should be able to have the summarized one. And when we try out the link, as you can see, it should be working. And now another option is just simply go ahead and clicking on this share icon over here. So now from here, guys, you will have the responder view. So you could click on this one and you could go for restricted, anyone with the link, or remove the link. So this will be depending on you. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and go for the editor view and make sure that it is on anyone with the link. And after that, as you can see, editors will be able to view and delete form responses. And after that, over here, just simply provide the email of the person that you want to share the form with. And after that, just simply enter. And from here, make sure it is on editor and click on send. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.